Security Commission is a statutory body entrusted with the responsibility of regulating and systematically developing nation's capital market. It has responsibility in supervising and monitoring the activities of the market institution and regulating all personnel under the Capital Market and Services Act 2007. Companies Commission of Malaysia is a statutory body formed under the Act of Parliament which regulates company and business affairs in Malaysia. It was formed in 2002 under the Companies Commission of Malaysia Act 2001, assuming the functions of Registrar of Companies and Registry of Business.
The function of Security Commission under Security Commission Act 1993. The first function of Security Commission is to act as a single regulatory body as to promote the development of capital markets. Second is to take responsibility for streamlining the regulation of the securities market and for speeding up the processing and approval of corporate transaction and laws is to promote and maintain fair, efficient, secure and transparent securities and future market and to facilitate the orderly development of an innovative and competitive capital market in Malaysia. Among Security Commission, many regulatory functions are included, such as registering the prospectuses for all securities, except those issued by the unlisted recreational club. Second, regulating all matters relating to securities and future contract. Third, regulating the takeover and mergers of companies. Fourth, regulating all matters relating to unit trust scheme. And the last one is licensing and supervising all licensed persons.
The main function of CCM is to serve as an agency to incorporate companies and register businesses as well as to provide company and business information to the public. The Commission launched SSM e-Info services to allow information on companies and businesses obtainable via its website. Leading authority for the improvement of corporate governance in Malaysia, the Commission also handles monitoring and enforcement activities to ensure compliance with business registration and corporate legislation. In 2009, the CCM began a review of the Companies Act 1965 with the aim of simplifying the process of incorporation in Malaysia and reducing businesses' cost of compliance with Malaysian corporate law. The acts and regulations that CCM operates under are listed as below, such as Companies Commission of Malaysia Act 2001, Companies Act 1965, Registration of Businesses Act 1965, Trust Companies Act 1949, Kutu Funds Prohibition Act 1971.